So this here is the Kawasaki Z400J3 1982. It's going to be my first Café Racer project. Picked it up from a guy down in Dover. 12 hours there and back. It was a hell of a trip. Says it hasn't been started in 16 years. This is the engine turns, which we'll have to check. But it seems strong. It's been dry stored. You can tell it's been covered in WD-40 and whatnot. He says he's turned it over every year, cranked it. Not started, because the electronics need doing. But I'm sure we'll get to that soon. But yeah. I think we've got a project here. There's more. So I think this is going to be the first initial strip down of the Kawasaki. So let's see how she does. You can tell we've got a lot of unoriginal parts. See, that's not exactly in there. Yep, that's definitely not original. I think we've got some potentially original ones here, plastics wise, but I think these are going to have to sit in the bin for a bit. This light's definitely not new. Definitely not original, sorry. I think we could have some fun with this. This has definitely been changed in the past as well. Being ground down here. The whole thing's covered in like a grease where he says he's dry stored it. Which is right. I think we'll... Oh. That looks fun. Yeah, so my plan is to get the torch out. Go through this bird's nest that we've got going on here. That was previously done. And then get everything, basically match all of these with what we've got on the wiring diagram. And then what we can do is find out what we're missing and what not. So let's basically have a look at that. So what we're going to do is just have a look at what we actually have got. Let's get this. Oh, what's that? Oh, nice. There's the actual ignite. All right. I see igniter. That one will be. That'll be the relay. Well, indicator relay. That's always a positive. Couple of quid on Amazon, but still. I think on these ones they had a old AC DC converter, or vice versa, I should say. Tell you what, I can't see actually, a fuse box. I know what these will be straight away. These are going to the backlight. That one's definitely going to be for the rear. Oh. Right, let's have a look. Let's get these matched up. Having a look what we've got here. This is for a KZ 400J2. This is a J3, but I can't find a J3 one, but I think they're going to be about the same, to be fair. So I think what we'll do, we'll have a look through, see what we've got, see what we haven't got, and then start marking things down and see where we go from there. There you go. The yellow red, the yellow red. Oh. Yeah, so what I'm actually doing is I'm just going through the what's It's like a plumbing chart, so we're just going from the battery up. So straight away, we've seen these ones here, when we have a look. And we've seen that we've got a blue, a red and white, or red and blue, sorry, and a blue and white and a brown wire. So we can see these going through here, up and around, and we're like, right, so that's not there. And that's what we're going to match up these wires with, and it's a fuse box. So we've done this for the fuse box. We've found this one, which is a brake light failure switch. So in case the brake lights go, it's an indicator on that. That should show up on the actual display here. Oh, that'll be this one here. Oh, very good. Cool. So we've got the other ones there, but that's actually a part that's missing, because I'm sure that's actually like a relay of some sort. Got the solenoid relay and the voltage rectifier. And then this is just standard. We've got the actual, obviously the negative for the battery, and the ground I should say. And then of course we've got here, which runs nice back here. Starter motor. She's very nice. She's got all this gunk everywhere. My hands already. This thing's dry stored, and I do believe them. I don't think it's going to be the... Oh, might have some cracks in them boots. Oh, till next time for that one, I reckon though. Main thing is, we need to have a look. We need to get these electrics going. We need to get the battery. We need to... Oh, it's this random one. That's a find. So we need to get the battery. We need to get the parts for this. And see if we can get it turned over. Because really, we've got the igniter, which is going to send the timing signals to the coils, to the sparks. These are obviously aftermarket as well. It's been marked up as well, like. Yeah, which is pretty well done. It polishes, it cleans up pretty nice, to be fair. I think we can polish these really nice, get these back to chrome, you know. This one there's got some scratches around the case, and I'll try and find another one online or clean her up the best I can. I don't think she's really that bad. I've got a 4-into-1 exhaust. I think that might be aftermarket, because I'm sure these came with two, one either side. Nice. Free spiders. Oh. I did put some air in the tyres because it was just hard getting it off the van. Michelin's classics. Wow. Yeah, everything's just covered in this gunk. I can see where that goes straight away. Oh, some damage there. Oh, these could have cleaned up nice, but these might actually end up having to get replaced. Oh wow, we have a big bird's nest going on here. Oh, I think, right, didn't see that before. Oh, trying to drop it one hand. Nice. That is a... just the rubbers. That's sitting there nicely. I think we can actually clean these up as well. Yeah, it just seems like they've been pulled and changed. I wonder if it's... Yeah, we'll have a look at that when it comes through it. Right now we need to get the fuse box, we need to get the battery, and then get everything synced up and working. I've got some bits and bobs on order. More for the carbs, just the seals, but I'm going to have a look online and see where we can get these parts for. Apparently these are readily available for all the parts. You can get a lot of aftermarket stuff, probably like Moto, things like that, so I think we'll have a look at that and go from there. So I've got the tank off. Found quite a bit of rust in the bottom. Well, I say quite a bit. It looked like it was surface rust. It's going to be difficult to see while it's in there. I'll try and see if I can get you some photos in. Well, I've put some of this in. Apparently it's got pretty good reviews. Evapor rust. See if you can reuse it and get it in there. I have used it in the past on the last project that I had. Didn't really do much with that one, but yeah. Thank you. Oh, it's just a horrible nick. Everything is. It's just this. Yeah, can't complain really. It's definitely kept it. Yeah, it's kept it alive for this long at least. Yeah, I've discovered many things. Another bird's nest at the front of wires. And get these all tidied up at some point. To be honest with you, I might end up making a new wiring full new wiring harness for it. I'll get online and actually maybe have a look at pricing up some of the parts for it and seeing where we are. It doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I mean, yeah, it kind of is what it is. It's a bike from 1982 or 1983, I think 1982 it is. And we need some things doing. That's it really. I just love how accessible everything is. It's just so easy to use, so easy to work on. I think that's what attracted us most to the bike. What do you think? Keep the lights? No. Then we're definitely go on the journey. Where are we going? Excuse the garage, it needs a good sort out. It's one of the actual instructions of the missus. Get that sorted before I do anything. But yeah, it will be done. But the main thing, get this done. Get these parts ordered. Tell you what, we'll go and do that now. I'm going to get these parts ordered to get this wired up and see if we can get the engine turning. See if we can get it started, and if we can get it started, it's all systems go. Let's get it stripped down and let's turn this into a sexy mean machine bike. It's only a 400, we're never going to get much out of it, but it's going to tick along nice. It's a good bike.